Welcome to the best course, a helpful practice test in hypertension and its pharmacology. Congratulations for having this chance. I'm really so proud to be with you. I am Madam Abdel Nasser Taj Tayyab. I am Palestinian pharmacist, American studies instructor, author and researcher who is teaching on Udemy. Hypertension is a leading modifiable risk factor for cardiovascular disease and mortality. While antihypertensive medications help reduce target organ damage, many patients remain uncontrolled due to intolerance or non-adherence. Non-pharmacological interventions should be recommended to all hypertensive individuals, especially those with a strong family history, to either prevent or reduce the need for medications. When medication is necessary, non-pharmacological strategies should be applied alongside drug treatments. Our practice test course is designed for participants seeking to enhance their understanding of hypertension, its management, and the various treatment strategies available, including both non-pharmacological and pharmacological approaches. In our practice test course, we will provide a comprehensive set of multiple choice questions on hypertension that cover the definition, classification, pathophysiology, goals, and both non-pharmacological and pharmacological treatments, provides a comprehensive review of key concepts. To enhance the learning experience, consider providing detailed explanations or feedback for correct and incorrect answers to help reinforce understanding and address any gaps in knowledge. Many thanks for your attention, and I'd like to invite you to register in this course if you want to explore further.